It's your girl BerryFae. Today we're going to be trying on some Shein pajamas. I'm super excited because they look super cute on the website. So let's go ahead and put them to the test. Let's try them on and see what it's really giving. Let's go. Ooh, this is nice. Alright, so this is the first one. It's brown with a little pink trim here and there. I got this in a size medium. Could have went for a large for the top. The top feels a little small, as you can see, but that's just me. But it's really nice. The material is nice. It's not stretchy or anything. But yeah, it's cute. I like this. What do you guys think? I'm going to give this a 6 out of 10. It could have just been a little bit more flowy, but it is cute. It's super small on me, just me personally. I should have got a large, but it is cute. I like this. What do you guys think? So here is the next one. It's a short set. I got this one in a size large. I like this a lot. This is definitely my style, especially if you're just lounging around the house. I really like this. It's not stretchy again. This one is, it's just like something to throw on. It's super cute. I love the color. I love the print. It's super nice. It's just not that stretchy, so just be careful. You might want to order a size up if you like comfort when you sleep, okay? I'm gonna give this one a 8 out of 10. I love the color. I love the print. That's why it's getting such a high rating, but it's not unbearable. Alright, you guys, so here is the next one. This is in a size large. Now this one, I like the color, I love the print, but it is so stiff. Like, there is no wiggle room at all. This is a large, y'all. So I'm not really sure. And as you can see, this little thing here, I would have to pull it up, but it's still so stiff. I'm not super impressed. The color, again, is great. This is something I could lounge in. The baby's here. This is something I would definitely lounge in. I probably won't sleep in it because it'll just be rising and just being super uncomfortable. But it is a cute little set. Just not my best pick. So on to the next. All right, so oddly enough, this is the exact same set as the last one, and it has a pocket. But this one fits a whole lot better. It's the same exact thing, but in a green pattern. I love this one so much more. It's so much more breathable. I just feel like I'm in pajamas. The other one felt like I was in a two-piece set. This one feels, ouch. This one feels like pajamas. This is really cute. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. This is just giving me all the vibes. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Super cute. We are almost done. We only have 2 more. Here is the second to last one. I love how they package them. Not only do they come in the individualized Shein bags, but they also have this little cardboard piece, and it's folded really nicely. So I really like that a lot. So here we go. We have another 2-piece short set. Let's go ahead and put it on. All right, so if you guys can't tell, I love 2-piece. I love short sets, and I love brown. This one makes me feel like the rich auntie, the bougie mom. Like, I really love this. It's giving me Victoria's Secret vibes because of the stripes, but I like that. Of course, it has a pocket. It's very breathable. The shorts are not too short or not too tight, which we love because I want to sleep comfortably. Not cute, comfortably. Cute too, but you get the idea. So yeah, this is it. I love this one. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. This is like the perfect 2-piece short set pajamas. Good job, Shein. Very breathable. I love it. All right, you guys, so that is all I have for y'all for today. Make sure y'all follow me right here on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube. Follow all of my social media platforms for more videos like this because your girls stay busy, all right? See y'all later. Shein, y'all need to sponsor me. Okay? Thank you. Bye.